identified something in the garden, say it's a chili, and you notice some growth on the chili itself, you downloaded the Pacific Pests and Pathogens app. So you go to click on the icon at the top there, the green one. After you've downloaded it, it'll be on your screen somewhere. Wait for it to open. Okay, so it opens. Go to full fact sheet. Right, so you want to identify the pests and diseases. Click on that middle one. You've got 4 subsections here. Where is it? What do you see? Find a fact sheet. Okay, where is it? We start there. It's above the ground or below the ground. Well, what we've seen is above the ground, so we tick the top one of those options. What do you see when you see that? Is it an insect or mite? You know, some little thing that you can see crawling around, or you see the damaged produce. And in this case, it's a chili. So the chili is a bit damaged. So you click on damage or disease, which is under what do you see. Then after that, you go and choose the crop. Scroll down under crop till you get to chili. You tick that. Then you go to the top left hand of your screen under features, and you click fact sheets remaining, which is the 4th option down. Tick that. Then it brings you 19 different fact sheets under the choices you've already made. You go to the second one, which is capsicum, chili, anthracnose. You tap that and see if that picture or any of those pictures matches what you're looking at. Then you go down, so it gives you the common name, the scientific name, distribution, like where, which islands it's that particular pathogen is damaged crops, and you can see Fiji there. The hosts means what sort of produce it will infect. In this case, it's capsicum and chili, and including tomato. You can see there root crops, e.g. yam, and fruit trees. It's papaya, mango. So this is a particularly a bad pathogen. On the symptoms and life cycle, it gives you a bit of information. If you scroll down, it gives you impact, then detection and inspection. Now at the bottom, you'll see management, cultural control. So these gives you a little bit of a organic approach to things, even though it's not the full organic solution to the problem. At least this gives you a few options. So before planting, during growth, what you can do, and after harvest, what you can do. Then it tells you a bit about the resistant varieties you can look for. Then at the bottom you have chemical control. So you're looking at fungicide or other protective sprays at the beginning of flowering. Of course, we would recommend organic options first, if that's the choice in your plantation. If we go to another option, so we'll leave that screen, confirm exit, yes. Let's go back to another one. Let's see if we can identify something that's infecting, say, cabbage. Insects on cabbage. Identify pests and diseases. Where is it? Again, it's above the ground, right on the bottom, the top option. Then you go to the what do you see? I see some insects, it looks like, right? So I tick insects or mites. I go to crops. I look for cabbage, and it shows cabbage here. I tick that. Then I go to the top left hand of the screen, which says fact sheets remaining. I tick that, and I see the 21 different fact sheets which might apply. So I look at all these different pictures. things that might be infecting the cabbage. Let's look at cabbage leaf miner, and this is a fairly common one. Mine's in the leaf of garden, caused by this particular one. Okay, 1 of 4 pictures. Sorry, let's go back to that. So it looks like that or that. That's the leaf miner. That's also how it looks. Common name, scientific name, distribution, go down, the hosts. So it infects the whole cabbage family, radishes, peas, beans, legume family, and it's also on weeds. So symptom and life cycle going down, impact, management. So there's a little bit of a paragraph on biosecurity, natural enemies, so things that occur in nature that will naturally control the populations of the cabbage leaf miner. Then cultural control, what you can do before planting. I'll keep scrolling down. You can at your own time go into the app and have a look at these. During growth, after harvest, and of course the chemical options. Right, I think that's enough for now. I'll give you a chance to have a look through these yourself.